Sampal sa mukha ni Stephen Curry ang sinabi ni LeBron James, hindi lang daw siya umaasa sa kanyang 3-point shooting dahil kaya niyang umiscore sa kahit anong level ng floor. Sinabi ang dahilan kung bakit late nang na-develop ang kanyang 3-point shooting. Isang masterclass shooting performance nga po ang ipinakita ni LeBron kahapon kontra sa Brooklyn Nets dahil gumawa nga po ito ng 9 3-point shot at isa lang ang naging sablay mula sa kanyang 10 attempt. Tumabla nga po sa kanyang career high in 3 points made in a single game ang ginawang ito ni LBJ. Kung may kapansin-pansin nga po sa laro ng all-time scoring leader ngayong season, ito ay ang kanyang outside shooting. Dahil ngayong season nag-average siyang 4 times MVP ng 41.6% shooting beyond the arc. Pinakamataas na kanyang 3 points percentage sa kanyang NBA career. Unang beses na nag-average ng 40% shooting beyond the arc si LeBron ay noong time niya pa sa Miami Heat noong 2012 to 2013 season. At nang matanong si LeBron sa kanyang post-game interview laban sa Brooklyn Nets kung bakit late nang na-develop ang kanyang 3-point shot sa kanyang career, sagot ng 4-time season MVP ay hindi niya daw kailangan mag-rely lang sa kanyang 3-point shot dahil marami pa raw siyang kayang gawin at kaya niyang umiscore sa kahit anong level ng floor. Once makapasok na siya half court, mukhang sampal ang sinabi ni LBJ kay Stephen Curry, mga brother.
Well, I don't never have to lean on it. I can do so much. I can score at any level on the floor. You know, basically once I cross half court. You know, I can score in the post. I can score off pick and rolls. I can score off the ball, off cutting.
Pero dahil sa growth mindset daw ni LBJ at ang liga ay nagbabago na isang heavy 3-point shooting league na ngayon, kaya ganito na lang daw in-workout ni LBJ ang kanyang outside shooting. Dagdag pa ni LeBron, gusto niya daw respetuhin ang mga nakakalaban nilang team ang kanyang outside shooting.
I want to be respected and teams have to play me from the outside. I know that's still kind of one thing that you know, teams still want to be like, okay, if we have to give up something, we'd much rather shoot the ball from the outside, but you know, shooting the long ball and also making my free throws. That's
Ngayong season, napatunayan na ni LeBron na isa ring banta ang kanyang outside shooting, kaya hindi pwedeng hayaan na lang siya ng ibang NBA teams na makatira ng libre sa tres. Anong masasabi niyo sa naging pahayag na ito ni LeBron, mga brother?
Gabe Vincent on the floor. LeBron. Reese. That has been relatively long. See some role players this year. 2 in a row! Dance out on front, out on top. Now in the corner. Look at him. Look at him. Take a seat, LeBron. Come on. What? With Claxton in front of him.
it's going up.
LeBron. Here it goes. Yes! Yes! He is the man!